this next song will be called the Golem song,
Shut up.
which will be featuring Yanika Tots. That girl that you've been seeing right now. Okay. Is that a girl?
Huh?
Is that?
No?
You don't think so?
I don't think so.
No. Yan, ikaw kumakulit. Okay.
Kahit na pati ako kasama dyan.
Hindi, biro lang. Play mo na, bro.
Play na.
Hindi na ako na play. This song will be sampled by Parang. Hear this.
Chong, ano bang sinasabi mo? Hindi mo kumanta. Alam mo ba yung pizza pie?
Some people have shoes of certain kinds. Some people have afternoon or the way them shine. Have one reason to feel the way they do. That's why I ask myself, what is it to do? Is there something wrong with the way you speak? You don't even see me when I pass on the street. I close my eyes and I feel, because I just can't see why you love to hate me.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Open, yo, open.
With the Golem remix.
Shut up.
Some people have weekends, say they can fool around. Some people have thunderstorms because of how they drop the rainfall down. And they have their own reason the way they do. Ako ulit ba, Pops?
Bakit Pops?
Nagwawala ka kasi.
Chorus. Paangit tuloy.
Ano nangyari sa'yo, Pops?
Nababangag ka ba ngayon?
There's something wrong in the street. You don't even see me when I pass through the street. I close my eyes and I feel, because I just can't see why you like to hate me. Love to hate me. And it sucks to face the truth that I ain't got no reasons to. And never as I see it, but I feel the way I do. And then don't just leave it on my part to say that I love you. Even though I know you hate me and you know what you do.
Something